Okay, guys, revised layout for this. Merch shelving for these spaces here, and we have about 41 inches here, and this will work for both shirts and sweatshirts. I don't see a way to get space, because if we look at this, this way, 40 and a half hanging space. Mind you, the rod's going to come down a couple inches. Those sweatshirts were the biggest ones at about 36, and this one's bigger because that's not taking into account the wood top here. But obviously, t-shirts and sweatshirts will both fit here. Is the extra large hoodie with hangers 36, but a medium is only 29 inches. So if you just hang medium shirts here, I mean, you'd still have 8-10 inches of space to put merchandise underneath that. But to get two hanging spaces and another shelf is really tight. And the top of this is that rod is going to be about 102 inches off the floor, so you'd still need a hanger or a pole with an extension to grab these up here. If we modify it, taller hanging stuff here for extra large hoodies. Mediums are 29, so that's really pushing it to even get a medium shirt hanging here and a shelf below that. But that shirt is going to be right above this, so we're not picking up more storage space by shortening any of this and trying to add a second shelf instead of doing something like this here, where we put that one back in there. Sorry, I know it's frustrating trying to get all this to work. We're just limited with height to try to get another shelf in here and hanging space. But this will fit for both extra large and small, same as here. And I don't know what you want to prioritize, the merchandise or hanging space, because of course we could put the shelves on this side for more hanging space here. If you put small shirts up here, only being 30 inches, we've got 40. I mean, you might have 6 or 7 inches from the bottom of those shirts to the shelf where you could put beanies or hats here. And this is to scale, being 88 inches here. This is where the window ends, right there, the door. So this desk can be pulled away. But I still think it's a good idea to have this not rolling, just the size of it and how much it's going to weigh. And as far as the elevation views, you can see where we're at here. I mean, these base cabinets, 18 tall. I mean, even if we shorten up the toe kick down to 2 or 3 inches, it's not going to make a significant enough difference to fix the problem of getting another shelf in there in between the clothes hanging spaces. All right, let me know what you think. Thanks.